Okay, here's something that's kind of cool. We did a video on one the other day, the LED lights. I bought a box of them off Amazon, 12 pack
Oh, wow.
for $30. And so they work out to like $2.50 each. And it looks like the same thing to me. But for, you know, for $2.50. So, okay. So in case you haven't seen these, we did a whole video on them. They run off AA batteries. I don't know how to open it. There's 2 batteries here and 2 batteries on this end. And there's a spot for a nail or a screw. You can put a screw on the wall and hang it up. These are Velcro hooks. I suppose that would work. That's like a double face tape. There's one on each side. Let's see. The one we did the video on, it was 200 lumens. So Premier, the evolution of light, light switch, cordless light, magnetic back. Oh yeah, okay. These are 2 magnets. Installs virtually anywhere. I can't see it. I ain't got enough light. With included double-sided hook and loop tabs. That's the Velcro, and powerful magnetic mounts on back. No electrician needed. 4 AAA batteries. Okay, so you know, 12 seems like a lot, but you start spreading them around. You know, put one in the car, a couple in the basement, couple upstairs, couple in here, one out in the shed. Give a couple to your sons and daughters and nieces and nephews, and you go through a 12 pack really quick. $1 cheaper than Walmart. So I think Walmart's was like $3.84 or something like that. Get 12 pack for 30 bucks. Works out to about $2.50 each. Same as the tag. Okay, see ya. Bye.